In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Pinterest ads account. Stick around till the end. Head to Pinterest ad in your search tab. Click on the first link. Using your favorite browser, preferably Google Chrome, you're going to be greeted with this page. Click Create Business Account. Keep in mind that Pinterest will help you reach 400 million people who use Pinterest every month. So click Create Account. Enter your email address. Click Continue. After this, you've successfully attached your email address. Enter your business name. Do you have a website? This example, you will know. Enter the country, the language. Click on Next. You can even choose a profile picture by clicking this icon, choosing an image from your downloadable files. Click on Next. After this, you will be answering some other questions. What's your focus of your brand? It's going to be the category basically. What's your goal? Selling, generating, driving, creating content, or growing brand awareness. Click on Next after answering your question. Get customized recommendations based on your details. I'm just gonna click I'm not sure, but there's blogger, consumer good, contractor, service provider, creator, local retail, online retailer, and publisher media, and some other options. Click on Next. In this case, we will be interested in advertising. Here, we would like you to start. You can share ideas, grow your audience, and showcase your brand. Keep in mind that you have successfully created your Pinterest account and you can start using it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.